Any detailed challenge to reverse all count submatrices with top left element and sum less than k. So basically we are given a matrix and we need to calculate amount of matrices that is lower than k. So let's start our implementation with prefix sums. We're gonna define m, n, it's pretty standard one, grid, and length of grid is 0 element. As the first one, we're gonna have the prefix matrix here, so we're gonna define 0 multiplied by n for in range of m, of course. We're gonna have amount of our matrices, so let's call it result here. We're gonna return this result, and we're gonna iterate over all elements and calculate by prefixes the sum. So with prefixes we can calculate the sums very quick. So let's iterate over in range n, let's iterate over in range m with j. We're updating our prefix I, j with current element initially of grid I, j here. So, and we're gonna update the prefixes like this. So if I is greater than 0, we're gonna increment it here. So this means there's something to add. So we're gonna add prefix of I minus 1, j. Also, if j is greater than 0, we're gonna increment like this, I, j plus prefix of I and j minus 1. Step we're gonna check both, so we have if I and j are greater than 0 both, so we just decreasing the sum with previous one, so this means we're iterating in other direction and should track everything. So I minus 1, j minus 1 here. So this is the answer basically, and if the current prefix ij is lower than or equal to k, so this means we found our result. So let's try submitting it and see if it works. Our solution with prefix sums, it's pretty simple one. So we got something, we got a small issue here, so just m and n should be changed. So let's try resubmitting it and see if it actually works now, and we're all judge. Thank you guys for watching, see you next day.